welcome to this video where I will be tackling my wardrobe. This is something I've been putting off for a long while. I've had 2 babies in the last 2 years, both 13 months apart. My body has been constantly changing with breastfeeding, getting pregnant again postpartum and starting to exercise. We would love a large family, Lord willing, so my body will only keep changing. On top of all of that, I'm yet to truly figure out what my style is and what works for me as a homemaker, wife and stay-at-home mum. As a result of all of this, my wardrobe is chaos. We have collected things that don't fit, colours of items that don't suit me, as well as just being unflattering. I only want to see things as I look at my wardrobe that fit me right now in this current season, with this current body. I do not want to see clothes that are my someday body. They either have to go or get put out of sight. I'm also aiming to have a small capsule wardrobe that I like, not what Pinterest tells me I should have, or anyone else. Any other people pleasers out there? Just me? So join me as we tackle this together. Let's grab a donate bag, maybe even a bin bag, and tackle what should have been done a long time ago. I'm going to start by pulling out my absolute yes items. These are items that I know have to say. Ones I feel good in and fit me well. Ones I truly love. This is going to be the start of our capsule wardrobe. If you don't know what I'm talking about, a capsule wardrobe is a small collection of clothes that can be put together in different ways and includes everything one would normally need to wear. The aim is to have an outfit suitable for any occasion without owning excess items. We're also going to match up these items with what colours suit me best. I recently had my colours done, which means I know exactly which colours suit my complexions and which ones do not. The aim is to make your facial features stand out and look brighter using colours. Any colour that drains or brings a slight green to my complexion should probably go. We're all tired as mums anyway. Why have our clothing only enhance it? As you can see, I'm simply matching up the colour of the item with what's on the colour chart. Does it line up, well, with what's there or not? You can see that this colour lines in that cream line. And this one fits right into that charcoal colour. Perfect. However, you can see that the next colour is just a little bit too soft for a cool winter like myself, so it may have to go. It is my mum's anyway. Next, I'm just going to pile up the rest of the clothes that remain in the wardrobe and drawers. Didn't quite realise how much it was, but there you go. So now I'm taking out the pieces that clothe some of the gaps that will help to build our capsule wardrobe. These include basic white t-shirts, prints, layers and simple pieces that can complete multiple outfits. However, we're not just making do with what we have if we don't fit into it or don't like it. We're simply seeing if there are obvious ones to keep that we like and would work well. Do I have a nice white t-shirt that would work? Leggings, vest tops, etc. If I don't, as I go, I'm going to make a list of things to be looking out for when I'm next shopping. Now I'm just simply sifting through what goes under gym wear and pyjamas, just to make things really clear and the piles really obvious. While I'm doing that, I'm just throwing those definite no's into one big pile on the floor, without thinking about it too much. I'm really looking to narrow all of this down to just a few simple items. In all of this, we need to be realistic. How often do you do your laundry? How many pieces do you need? What do you spend your days doing? Figure out what your schedule is and how many items you might need for your life. I'm going to guess it's probably a lot lower than you think, but you have to do what works for you. For me, I'm a stay-at-home mum with my kiddos pretty much all day, every day. Yes, all day, every day. And so I really need clothes that are comfortable, that I can move around in, but I'd still like to feel put together and ready for each day. We're also in between seasons here. It's currently 30 degrees, but it's September and we're supposed to be heading into autumn. We have also had quite a cold summer, so we're kind of confused. So I've got jumpers and dresses and linen trousers and vest tops and long sleeves all in one. Okay, so this is my no pile so far. This is the huge, just gone through like, no, I don't obviously wear that and I don't want it and I don't have any feelings towards it. Some of them were for a few sentimental things, but you know what, if it's not in my absolute yes, then I'm just gonna get rid of it for now. We're going for super minimal and simple to make my life easier. And this here is my, just not sure, I'm kind of attached, slash also some basics that we're gonna go through in that pile there to see if they fit or complete any of this yes pile. This yes pile is super small. I've also been going through whether they match in my colours here. And if they haven't been, I'm going to double check them now, but if they don't, then we're also going to get rid, because we're going for what suits me most, what looks best, and what I feel good in. I also separated some gym clothes here that I also need to go through, and these are pyjamas here, so quite a lot of pyjamas. Already a donate pile that I just know it's all going back to my mum or my grandma or other people I've borrowed clothes from. Let's try and tackle that pile over there. I'm just going to go ahead and lay out my yes pile to really consolidate it just before adding a few things, making it really clear to see what's left and where I truly want it, and whether I truly want it in the yes pile. Now I'm adding in those basics that we pulled from earlier. What kind of outfits can I make? Is it a staple that I love? Does it fit within my cool winter colour scheme? This can be stressful to work through and can also bring up quite a lot of emotions. But just set that timer for 20 minutes more and keep pushing through. It's going to feel so much better once it's all done. I also encourage you to finish the job today as much as you can. Don't leave it all for another day. You can do it. We almost have our capsule wardrobe. Let's keep going. Now it's time to put those clothes into bin bags where you cannot see them anymore. Trust your instincts and the decisions that you have made. Everything can be replaced mostly, so don't worry about it too much. We're going for simple here, and that's going to feel best. So get it all wrapped up and put it out of sight so you can't see it anymore. You've done so well. Just a little bit longer now. Now I'm just folding up these clothes, just to make it really clear what I have left. At the end of this, I think I counted 22 pieces. I wasn't going for that low, but it happens. Feels good though. go through our gym clothes and pyjamas. I'm looking at what I feel most comfortable in to exercise. Is anything see-through? How many pieces do I really need? I'd say 3 to 4 sets of gym wear is plenty for me. You can always keep washing them. Try not to think about it too much. Just put aside what doesn't work for you and let it go. You can also do this with kids by your side. Get them involved, get them helping with folding. Just try to keep going to get that job done. Now it's time to put everything away, and it feels so good. Look how empty these drawers are. I'm not sure if they've ever been that empty. I can finally close them again. I also just wanted to quickly go through my shoes. I'm putting aside the ones I don't need every day, like stilettos, and just having my everyday ones on hand. Again, we are a little between seasons, so it's quite confusing to know what to do. This is all going. And we did it. We're getting rid of 3 bin bags full. A job well done. And that's it, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. It's kind of really embarrassing. They need some love somewhere. We're renovating the house. Projects everywhere. Do I love it? Do I need it? If I don't, it's gotta go.